Okay, the first thing you're going to do is select one of those little eyelets. It's a little bit of threading on it, you see, and then you're going to find the hole somewhere around there. You just flip it around and you'll find where the hole's been drilled, and then you just insert it and turn it to tighten it in loosely with your hand, and then you're going to use pliers to finish it off. Do not over tighten, just pull it in until it's nice and snug and stop there. Same thing with the second one. So grab an eyelet, find where the drilled hole is, and then screw it in. You should make sure that it feels snug, not loose, but snug, but not too tight. Snug it up. The next thing, you're going to grab a fish hook earring, and then you want to have the little ball is pointing towards the front, and then you just slip it up in, and then you're going to grab a pair of pliers and just bring the ball to the wire. Don't over tighten it, but bring it, make sure there's no gap. Same thing with the second one. Just put the ball in, make sure it's pointing to the front of the earring, and tighten it down firmly, but don't over tighten it. You actually can you can't really over tighten it, just nice and crimped in. And then put it on a card. You're going to grab an earring back, put that on there. Slippery critter. And so an earring back on both of them, and then you're done. And I did that off camera, oh well. So then you're going to just put them in bags by